on and off the dais, and participants on the online mode. Good morning to all of you. We have gathered here for the celebrations of 9th International Day of Yoga. Yoga, Indian traditional knowledge, is there in practice from time immemorial. There is a lot of awareness towards yoga nowadays throughout the world due to its health benefits. Realizing the preventive, promotive and curative benefits of yoga by the initiations of Honorable Prime Minister of India, United Nations General Assembly declared June 21st, the largest day of the year, as the International Day of Yoga, with the support of 177 countries. Today, on the occasion of 9th International Day of Yoga, celebrations are going on throughout the world with the theme Yoga for Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. Mangalore University, under the guidance of Honorable Vice Chancellor Professor Jayaraj Amin and respected Registrar Professor Kishore Kumar C.K. organized this function. To begin with the function, I invite Mr. Nagashayana and team to invocate the Almighty.
Sangachadvam samvadadvam samvo manamsi janata deva bhagam yatha purve sanjanana upasate ajnanatimirandhasya jnananjana shalakaya chakshurunmilitam yena tasmai shri gurave namaha tasmai shri gurave namaha. Abahu purushakaram shankhachakrasidharinam sahasrashirasam shvetam pranamami patanjalim.
Thank you. Asato ma sadgamaya, tamaso ma jyotirgamaya, mrityorma amritam gamaya. May I request Professor K. Krishna Sharma sir, Professor Gerald D'Souza sir, and all the dignitaries, Professor Sripada sir, to inaugurate the program by lighting the lamp. Please be seated. As the light overcomes the darkness of the outside world, proper practice of yoga overcomes the darkness of ignorance and enlightens the inner soul. To experience the glimpse of yogic practices, I request all of you to make yourself ready for the practice. I request colleague Dr. Tirumaleshwar Prasad to conduct the practical session.
morning to all of you. We will practice few yoga practices according to the International Yoga Day protocol by Ministry of Ayush, Government of India. We have got two practitioners here. So all of us, we will practice together. If there is any doubt how to practice, you can see in between. You can observe the two persons practicing in front of you near the stage. Sit in Samasthiti. Stretch your legs forward. Keep the legs together. Place your palms on the floor near the buttocks. Keep the back straight. Keep the fingers pointing forward. Keep your shoulders free. Look straight forward. Inhale freely. Exhale fully. Inhale freely. Exhale fully. Breathe 3 more times. Swastikasana. Inhale. Exhaling. Fold left leg. Place left foot at the root of the right leg. You can use the hands to fold and unfold the legs. Inhale. Exhaling. Fold right leg. Place right foot on the left leg. Do it freely. If it is difficult, place right foot below the left leg. Sit straight. Hands in Chin Mudra. Join the tips of thumb and index. Just touch, don't press. Sit straight. Close your eyes. Breathe freely 10 times. Observe the breathing. Count exactly 10 breathings. Slowly open your eyes. Release the hands. Inhaling, stretch right leg forward. Exhale. Inhaling, stretch left leg. Please stand up. Join the legs. Join the toes also. Keep the hands close to the body. Look straight forward. Now neck stretching. Keep your palms on the waist. Exhaling. Bend the head forward and try to touch the chin to the chest. Inhaling. Lift the head. Take the head back. Repeat 2 more times. Exhaling. Bend the head. Inhaling, lift the head, take the head back. Exhaling, bring down the head. Inhaling, lift the head, take the head back. Exhaling, come to Samasthiti, hands down. Neck stretching, keep the palms on the waist. Exhaling, bend the head to the right. Inhaling, come up. Exhaling, bend the head to the left. Inhaling, come up. Exhaling, bend the head to the right. Inhaling, come up. Exhaling, bend the head to the left. Inhaling, come up. Exhaling, bend the head to the right. Inhaling, come up. Exhaling, bend the head to the left. Inhaling, come up. Hands down, Samasthiti. Neck twisting, palms on the waist. Inhale, exhaling, turn your head to your right side. Look to the right side. Breathe 3 times. Inhaling, turn forward. Exhaling, turn your head to the left side, to your left side. Looking straight forward. Breathe 3 times. Inhaling, turn forward. Samasthiti, hands down. Neck rotation. Palms on the waist. Palms on the waist. Inhale. Exhaling, bend your head forward and rotate the head in clockwise direction. 3 rounds. Move the head in the opposite anti-clockwise direction. 3 rounds. Come to Samasthiti, hands down. Shoulder rotation. Keep your fingers on the respective shoulders. Move the elbows in clockwise directions. 3 rounds. Move in the reverse direction. 3 rounds. Samasthiti, hands down. Trunk movement. Inhaling, keep right leg to right side, 1 foot. Keep left hand on the chest, left finger touching the right shoulder, right hand on the back, Inhale, exhaling, turn to right side without moving the legs. Turn your head also, looking back, breathe 3 times. Inhaling, turn forward, hands down. Keep right hand on the chest, fingers touching the left shoulder, left hand on the back, right hand on the chest. Inhale, exhaling, turn to left side, your left side, looking back, breathe 3 times. Inhaling, turn forward, hands down. Exhaling, join right foot to left. Knee movement. Samasthiti. Inhaling, keep right foot to right by 1 foot. Exhale. Inhaling, lift the hands from the front up to shoulder level. Palms facing down. Exhaling, bend the knee joints as much as possible. Maintain this position. Breathe 3 times. Inhale and exhale deeply. Keep the body fully free. Inhaling, come up. Exhaling, hands down. Inhale, exhaling, join right foot to left. Tadasana, Samasthiti. Inhaling, lift the hands from the sides. Interlock the fingers. Turn the hands up. Exhale. Inhaling, lift your heels up. Stand on the toes. Breathe 3 times. Exhaling, bring down the heels. Inhale, exhaling, hands down. Vrikshasana, Samasthiti. Inhaling, lift your left leg. Keep left sole at the inside of the right thigh. Exhale. Inhaling, lift the hands from the sides. Join the palms. Look straight forward. 3 breathings. Exhaling, hands down. Inhale, exhaling, bring down the left leg. Inhaling, lift the right leg. Keep right sole at the inside of the left thigh. Exhale. Inhaling, lift the hands. Join the palms. 3 breathings. Exhaling, hands down. Inhale, exhaling, bring down the right leg. Samasthiti. Padahastasana. Inhaling, lift the hands from the sides. Exhaling, bend forward without bending the legs. Try to place the palms on the floor by the side of the feet. Bend your head fully. Close your eyes. 3 breathings. Inhaling, come up. Stretch your hands up. Exhaling, hands down. Samasthiti. Ardha Chakrasana. Place your palms on the waist. Inhaling, bend backwards from the waist as much as possible. Leave the head freely back. Close your eyes. Don't bend the knee joints. Breathe 3 times. Exhale. Inhale. Exhaling, come up. Hands down. Trikonasana. Stand on the left side of the bed sheet. Turn your left side. Turn to your left side. Stand on the left side of the bed sheet. Stand in Samasthiti. Join the legs. Toes together. Hands close to the body. Trikonasana. Inhaling. Keep right leg to right side. Around 3 feet. 1 leg distance. Feet parallel to each other. Exhaling. Turn the right foot to right side. Bend to right side without bending the legs. Try to catch right big toe by the right hand. Stretch left hand upwards. Looking at the tip of the left hand. 3 breathings. Inhaling, come up. Stretch the hands. Turn right foot to front. Exhaling, turn the left foot to left side. Bend to left side. Try to catch left big toe. Stretch right hand upwards, looking at the tip of the right hand. 3 breathings. Inhaling, come up, stretch the hands, turn the left foot. Exhaling, join right leg to left leg. Hands down. Please be seated. Dandasana. Stretch your legs. Keep the legs together. Join the toes also. Palms on the floor near the buttocks. Fingers pointing forward. Back straight. Looking straight forward. Breathe 3 times. Bhadrasana. Bend the knee joints. Join the soles. Bend forward. Catch the feet. Inhale. Exhaling. Pull the feet close to the body. Try to touch the heels to the perineum. Keep the knee joints close to the floor. Sit straight. Looking straight forward. 3 breathings. Inhaling. Bring the feet forward. Stretch the legs. Ardha Vajrasana. Samasthiti. Join the legs. Inhale. Exhaling. Fold both legs together in any one side. Sit on the heels. Do it freely. If anybody is having knee joint pain, don't try. Severe knee joint pain. Sit on the heels. Knee joints together. Palms on the knee joints. 3 breathings. Inhaling. Stretch both legs together forward in any one side. Ardha Ushtrasana. Stand on the knee joints. Stand on the knee joints. Keep the knees apart by 1 foot. Palms on the waist. Back side. Inhale. Exhaling. Bend backwards from the waist as much as possible. Leave the head freely back. Close your eyes. 3 breathings. Inhaling. Come up. Ushtrasana. Bring down the hands. Inhale. Exhaling. Bend backwards. Try to place your palms on the soles. Leave the head freely back. Close your eyes. 3 breathings. Inhaling, come up. Please be seated. Stretch the legs. Shashankasana. Samasthiti. Join the legs. Palms on the floor near the buttocks. Back straight. Look straight forward. Shashankasana. Inhale. Exhaling. Fold both legs together backwards. Sit on the heels. Inhaling. Lift the hands from the sides. Exhaling. Bend forward. Stretch your hands on the floor. Try to place your forehead on the floor. Do not lift the buttocks. Don't lift the buttocks. Close your eyes. 3 breathings. Inhaling. Come up. Stretch your hands up. Exhaling. Hands down. Inhaling. Stretch the legs. Stretch both legs together in any one side. Vakrasana, sit in Samasthiti. Inhaling, fold right leg vertically, fold right leg vertically, place right foot near the left knee joint. Exhaling, turn to right side, take right hand to the back, stretch left hand by right side of the right knee, turn your head to right, looking back, 3 breathings. Inhaling, release the hands, turn forward. Exhaling, stretch the right leg. Inhaling, fold left leg. Place left foot on the floor near the right knee joint. Exhaling, turn to left side. Left hand on the back. Stretch right hand by left side of the left knee. Turn your head to left. 3 breathings. Inhaling, release your hands, turn forward. Exhaling, stretch the left leg. Lie down freely. Lie down facing down. Lie down facing down. Keep the legs apart. Place your palms one above the other, below the face. Turn the head to any one side. Close your eyes. Lie down freely. We are doing Makarasana. Bhujangasana. Join the legs. Place your forehead on the floor. Place the palms below the shoulders. Keep the feet together from heels up to toes. Press your palms on the floor. Inhaling, lift the head, chest and abdomen. Bend your back, take the head back, looking up, breathe 3 times. Exhaling, come down. Shalabhasana, place your palms facing down below the thighs. Place your chin on the floor. Inhaling, lift both legs together, straightly up. Without bending the knee joints, lift the legs. Lift the head, breathe 3 times. Inhale and exhale deeply. Exhaling, bring down the legs. Remove the hands. Lie down freely. Turn and lie down. Lie down on your back. Join the legs. Join the legs. Keep your hands close to the body. Palms facing down. Utthana Padasana. Inhaling, lift both legs together, 45 degree. Maintain this position. Close your eyes. 3 breathings. Exhaling, bring down the legs. Ardha Halasana, join the legs. Inhaling, lift both legs together, 90 degree. Press your palms on the floor. Maintain this position. Close your eyes. 3 breathings. Exhaling, bring down the legs. Lie down freely. Pavanamuktasana, join the legs. Keep the hands close to the body. Inhale, exhaling, fold the right leg. Hold it by both hands. Hold the leg firmly. Inhaling, lift the head. Touch your nose to the knee joint. Left leg straight. Close your eyes. 3 breathings. Exhaling, bring down the head. Inhaling, stretch the right leg. Exhaling, fold the left leg. Hold it by both hands. Inhaling, lift the head. Close your eyes. Right leg straight. 3 breathings. Exhaling, bring down the head. Inhaling, stretch the leg. Exhaling, fold both legs together. Hold the legs. Inhaling, lift the head. Close your eyes. 3 breathings. Exhaling, bring down the head. Inhaling, stretch the legs. Lie down freely. Keep the legs apart. Stretch your hands on the floor. Keep the palms facing up. Close your eyes. Lie down freely. Slowly join your legs. Bring the hands close to the body. Slowly open your eyes. Please be seated. Stretch your legs. Sit in Samasthiti. We will go to pranayama. Swastikasana. Inhale. Exhaling. Fold left leg. Inhale, exhaling, fold right leg. Try to place right foot on the left leg. Otherwise, place right foot below the left leg. Sit straight, hands in Chin Mudra, palms facing up. Close your eyes. Touch the tips of thumb and index. Try to feel the pulse. Sit straight. Keep your head erect. Ujjayi pranayama. Inhale freely. Exhale fully. This is one round. Like this, continue 11 more rounds. Concentrate on the breathing at the throat. Slowly open your eyes. Anuloma Viloma Pranayama. Fold the two fingers, middle finger and index finger of the right hand. Bring it near the nose. Close your right nostril by the thumb. Inhale through left nostril. Close the left nostril. Exhale through the right nostril. Inhale through the right nostril. Close the right nostril. Exhale through the left nostril. This is one cycle. Inhale through the left. Exhale through the right nostril. Inhale through the right nostril. Exhale through the left. Second cycle is over. Inhale through left nostril. Exhale through right. Inhale through right. Exhale through left nostril. Third cycle is over. Continue yourself. 2 more cycles. Stop after exhaling through left nostril. Keep your hands in Chin Mudra. Now Shitali Pranayama. Sit straight. Sit straight, hands in Chin Mudra. Close your eyes. Time being, open the eyes. Stretch your tongue outside. Inhale through the tongue, making it like a tube. Close your mouth. Exhale through the nostrils. Close your eyes. Inhale through the tongue, making it like a tube. Close the mouth. Exhale through the nostrils. Inhale through the tongue. Close your mouth. Exhale through the nostrils. Inhale through the tongue. Exhale through the nostrils. Inhale through the tongue, slowly. Exhale through the nostrils. Okay. Bhramari Pranayama. Sit straight. Close your eyes. Inhale freely. While exhaling, make the sound of a female bee at the throat. Female bee at the throat. Inhale freely. Concentrate fully on the sound. Inhale, exhaling, sound of the female bee. Do it again. Do it again. Inhale, exhale with the sound. Okay, now we will practice the meditation. Keep your hands in Chin Mudra, join the tips of thumb and index, palms facing up, sit straight, keep your eyes closed, breathe freely, try to feel the pulse at the tip of the fingers, breathe freely. Try to concentrate on your middle of the eyebrows. Okay, we will end the practice with the prayer. Keep the eyes closed. Join your palms in front of the chest. We will chant the shloka together. Om Sarve Bhavantu Sukhinaha Sarve Santu Niramayaha Sarve Bhadrani Pashyantu Ma Kaschid Dukkha Bhag Bhavet. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Rub your palms. Keep the palms on the face, on the eyes. Remove the hands. Slowly open your eyes. Inhaling, stretch right leg forward. Exhale. Inhaling, stretch left leg forward. Sit freely. Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Tirumaleshwar Prasad sir, for a wonderful yoga session. Now I request the dignitaries to come over to the dais. We have with us our Honorable Vice Chancellor, Professor Jayaraj Amin sir, and Dr. Gerald Santosh D'Souza, the Dean, Faculty of Education, Professor K. Krishna Sharma, the Chairman and Professor of the Department of Human Consciousness and Yogic Science. I request all the dignitaries to come over the dais.
ಬನ್ನಿ ಸರ್.
I request the volunteers of the food committee to take their responsibilities outside. Sir, Faculty of Education, Mangalore University, to extend a warm welcome to all of you. Sir.
A very good morning to all of you. We have just had a very invigorating as well as very peaceful session to mark the day of International Yoga, International Day of Yoga. And today we have with us as a guest, as a chief guest of this day, Professor Jayaraj Amin, the Vice Chancellor, Mangalore University. On behalf of all of us gathered here, sir, I extend you a warm welcome. Welcome to you, sir. I also accord a warm welcome to the Chairman of Department of Yogic Sciences, Professor Krishna Sharma. On behalf of all of us, I extend a warm welcome, sir. It is a pleasant duty for me to extend a warm welcome to all the professors, Professor Shripad and all the other professors who have gathered here, the faculty members, teaching and non-teaching, and all the students and all the lovers of yoga who have gathered here to celebrate the International Day of Yoga. On behalf of the organizing committee, on behalf of the university, I extend you all a warm welcome. As you all know, there are plenty of days accorded to different things. Just like this, even the International Day of Yoga is celebrated on June 21st, the longest day of the year. But my request is that though we celebrate this day together today, it is meaningful only if we practice yoga as a lifestyle. So let us keep this practice of yoga throughout the year and meet on this day every year. And with these few words, once again, I extend you all a warm welcome. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. I am elated to extend a warm welcome to you for this function. Now I request our Professor Dr. K. Krishna Sharma to florally welcome the Honorable Vice Chancellor with the flower. I request to welcome Dr. Gerald Santosh D'Souza, Dean, Faculty of Education. I request Dr. Gerald sir to welcome our Chairman, Professor K. Krishna Sharma, to the function. We feel honored to have with us our Honorable Vice Chancellor, Professor Jairaj Amin sir. Sir, your presence here at this event is a great inspiration and delight for all of us. Now, may I take the pleasure of requesting our Honorable Vice Chancellor to deliver the presidential address.
Organizer of this program, Professor K. Krishna Sharma, esteemed guest on the dais, and my friend Gerald D'Souza, Dr. Gerald D'Souza. I think I'm audible. Yeah. My dear colleagues, my dear student friends, now this gives me a great pleasure to join you all on the occasion of the Yoga Day. Now, as we all know, I think this is the 9th year of International Yoga Day, and I understand that this year's theme of yoga is Vasudeva Kutumbakam. Now, this actually reflects our desire or our inclination to have one earth, one family and one future. And yoga, probably I think most of you are aware, or better than me, that yoga is a holistic discipline that actually helps us to have certain amount of unity of body, mind and spirit. Now there are many advantages of yoga, and I think Professor Krishna Sharma is in a better position to explain all that. So physically it has certain advantages. It actually helps us to actually increase our strength and flexibility. Mentally it actually helps us to overcome anxiety and depression. Spiritually it helps us to actually rediscover ourselves or have certain amount of self-realization. Yoga is a ancient discipline that has originated in India, but today it has transcended all boundaries, and throughout the world people actually have adopted or embraced yoga to find some balance in their life, to have tranquility in their life, and also to have physical fitness. Now this yoga, of course, is a very valuable contribution of our ancestors to us, to help us to actually balance our life, to find certain tranquility in the modern age. Now in the modern age, we all know that there is so much of stress, especially all of us actually run behind manas shanti. Now if at all something actually gives us manas shanti in a proper way, I think it's only yoga can do that. So we all actually know the advantages of yoga, the multiple effects that it has actually on our body. Now yoga, as I understand, is also not something that is just confined to the yoga mats. It actually helps us to be very disciplined, be very compassionate, be understanding of each other's, and also be very sensitive to the needs of each other. So somewhere it actually balances individual with the society, individual with the nature. And yoga is a practice that can be actually adopted by everyone. Yoga is something that can be actually practiced by the children, it can actually be practiced by the elders, it can also be practiced by the elder ones. Yoga is also something that can also be practiced by people of all health stages. Healthy person can practice yoga, even physically weak person also can practice yoga. So yoga is actually a very novel kind of discipline that actually helps us to actually balance ourselves, helps us to discipline ourselves, helps us to actually overcome all our anxiety, find inner peace and tranquility, and then help us to actually live the life in a better way. So it actually enhances the quality of our life. So therefore yoga, I think, is a very, very important kind of thing. And yoga is something, as we actually gather here today to celebrate this yoga day, yoga is something that cannot be just confined to June 21st. Now it is something that we need to integrate in our life and practice throughout the year. And also, of course, throughout the life. So only then, I think, we actually can reap the advantages of yoga. So therefore, I would actually, congratulate all of you, for, not only for being today, on this occasion here, but also I'm sure that all of you would actually practice yoga throughout your life and find certain advantages, certain benefits. I myself was actually the beneficiary of yoga. I know that I was Professor Krishna Sharma knows that I was a very regular visitor to the yoga center. Whenever I had major problems, especially health problems, and yoga helped me to actually overcome some problems. And I should actually congratulate and also thank Tirumalesh in particular, not only for conducting this program, but also being my teacher, in my yoga days. He has actually helped me to understand the nuances of yoga in a better manner, and is actually, helped me to understand what yoga means, what actually the effects of yoga are. So I am very grateful to this department, and as all of you know, this department is also a very vibrant department in our university. And this has been actually conducting series of programs, always trying to help the people in their own way, by organizing this kind of yoga programs, yoga camps, and similar other activities. So I must congratulating all of you. I would again wish you all a very happy life, improved quality of life, greater stability, greater tranquility in your life. And I would also give the organizer, I will also thank the organizers for giving me this opportunity to speak in a few words. Thank you, and good luck to all of you.
Thank you, sir. Appreciating the beneficial aspects of ancient spiritual discipline of yoga for the promotion of health and wellness in order to ensure the quality of their life. Yoga also helps the prevention of many of the diseases and the management of the disorders. Your precise and thought-provoking address has enlightened us. Gratitude is the fairest blossom which springs from the soul. The celebration of International Yoga Day 2023 was made possible by many hands, hearts, and minds working together. To express a word of appreciation and gratitude, we have with us Dr. K. Krishna Sharma, Chairman, Department of Human Consciousness and Yogic Science. Now I request our professor to propose the vote of thanks.
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಗೌರವಾನ್ವಿತ ಕುಲಪತಿಗಳೇ ಮತ್ತು ಡೀನ್ರವರೇ ಹಾಗೂ ನೆರೆದ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳೇ, ಇವತ್ತು 9ನೆಯ ವಿಶ್ವ ಯೋಗ ದಿನಾಚರಣೆ, ಇಂಟರ್ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಯೋಗ ಡೇ ವಿತ್ ದಿ ಥೀಮ್ ಆಫ್ ವಸುಧೈವ ಕುಟುಂಬಕಂ ನಾವು ಆಚರಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಧನ್ಯವಾದ ಹೇಳುವಾಗ not only this vote of thanks to participants and here who are assembled those, ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಕೇಳಿದರೆ ಈ 9ನೇ ಯೋಗ ದಿನಾಚರಣೆಯ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ವಾರದಲ್ಲಿ ಸುತ್ತಮುತ್ತಲಿನ ಶಾಲೆಗಳು ಅಥವಾ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಗಳು ಎಲ್ಲ ಸೇರಿ ನಾವು ಇವತ್ತಿನವರೆಗೆ ಸಾಧಾರಣ 1,500ಕ್ಕೂ ಮಿಕ್ಕಿ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು ಜನರಿಗೆ ಯೋಗವನ್ನು ತಲುಪಿಸುವಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಮಾಧ್ಯಮವಾಗಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಈ ಅವಕಾಶಕ್ಕೆ ನಮ್ಮ ವಿಶ್ವವಿದ್ಯಾನಿಲಯಕ್ಕೆ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳನ್ನು ಹೇಳಬೇಕು. ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ಈ ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥೆ ಇದ್ದದ್ದರಿಂದ ನಮಗೆ ಆ ಕಾರ್ಯ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕಾಯಿತು. ಎರಡನೆಯದಾಗಿ ಇವತ್ತು ಒಂದೇ ದಿನ ನಾವು ನಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಸೇರಿ 28 ಕಡೆ ಆಯೋಜಿಸಬೇಕಾದಂಥ ಸ್ಥಿತಿಯಲ್ಲಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ 6:30ಯಿಂದ 7:15ರವರೆಗೆ KMCಯಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರಿಗೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಬೇಕಾದ ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥೆಯನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿ ತರಬೇತಿಯನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಭಾಷಣವನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಇದೇ ರೀತಿ ಸಂಜೆವರೆಗೆ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೂಡ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು, ವಿಭಾಗದ ಫ್ಯಾಕಲ್ಟಿ ಮೆಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ 28 ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇವತ್ತು ನಾವು 28 ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ಸ್ we are participating and giving training. It may be totally 1,500 or more than that. Means in this 9th Yoga International Day, we are spreading this message for more than 3,000 members on behalf of our university and department. So I congratulate and thank for this system and university. ಅಂದರೆ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿಯ ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥೆ ಇರ್ತದೆ ಎಂಬುದಾಗಿ ಆಲೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡಿ. ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ಆ ಪ್ರವಾಹದಲ್ಲಿ ಒಮ್ಮೆ ನಾವು ಸೇರಿಕೊಂಡಾಗ ಅದರ ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥೆಯೇ ಬೇರೆ. ಆಗ ಮಾತ್ರ ನಾವು ಬೇರೆ ವಿಷಯಗಳನ್ನು ವಿವಿಧ ದೃಷ್ಟಿಕೋನದಲ್ಲಿ ಕಲಿಯುವಂಥದ್ದು, ಅಭ್ಯಾಸ ಮಾಡುವಂಥದ್ದು, ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ತೊಡಗಿಸಿಕೊಳ್ಳುವಂಥದ್ದು ನಡೀತದೆ. ಇದನ್ನು ಬಹಳ ಸೂಕ್ಷ್ಮವಾಗಿ ತನ್ನ ಅಂತರಾಳದಿಂದ ನಮ್ಮ ಕುಲಪತಿಯವರು ತಮಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ತಿಳಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ವಸುಧೈವ ಕುಟುಂಬಕಂ ಎಂದರೆ ವಸುಧಾ ಏವ ಕುಟುಂಬಕಂ, ಇಡೀ ಪ್ರಪಂಚ, ಭೂಮಿ ನನ್ನ ಕುಟುಂಬ. ಕುಟುಂಬ ಅಂದರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯ ಗೊತ್ತಿರುವಂಥದ್ದು ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಎನ್ನುವ ಅರ್ಥದಲ್ಲಿ ಗಂಡ ಹೆಂಡತಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಅಲ್ಲ. ನಾವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು, ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್ ಎನ್ನುವಂಥದ್ದು ಒಂದು ಕುಟುಂಬ. ಪರಸ್ಪರ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೂಡ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು, ಟೀಚರ್ಸೇ. ನಾವು ಕಲಿಯುವುದರಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಕಲಿಯುವುದಂದರೆ ಬೇರೆಯವರನ್ನು ನೋಡಿ ಪ್ರಪಂಚ ಜ್ಞಾನದಿಂದ. ಕ್ಲಾಸು ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಚುವಲ್ ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಟಡಿ 25 + 25 50% ಓನ್ಲಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಟು 25% ಬೈ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಲಾಂಗ್ ಟರ್ಮ್. ಈ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುವಂತಹದ್ದರಿಂದ ನಾವು 25% ಕಾಲಾವಕಾಶದಲ್ಲಿ ಕಲಿಯುವುದಂದರೆ ಪ್ರಪಂಚವನ್ನು ನೋಡಿ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಗೆ ಯಾವುದು ಬೇಕು ಬೇಡ ಎನ್ನುವಂಥ ತಿದ್ದುವಿಕೆಯಿಂದ ಕಲಿಯುವಂಥದ್ದು. ಆ ರೀತಿ ಕಲೀಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಇದು ಒಂದು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಅವಕಾಶ. ಇಷ್ಟು ಜನರನ್ನು ನೋಡಿದಾಗ ಸ್ವಾಭಾವಿಕವಾಗಿ ಅವರು ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡಿದರು, ಇವರು ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡಿದರು, ನಾನೇನು ಮಾಡಿದೆ, ನಂದೇನು ತಪ್ಪಾಯಿತು, ಸರಿ ಆಯಿತು. ಆಟೋಮೆಟಿಕ್ ಅನಾಲಿಸಿಸ್ ಥಿಂಕಿಂಗ್ ಅಪ್ರೋಚ್ ಕಮ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಅವರ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್. ನೀವು ನೋಡಿ, ಮುಗಿದ ಮೇಲೆ ಮಾತನಾಡುವಂಥದ್ದೆಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಆ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಥಿಂಕಿಂಗ್ ಅಪ್ರೋಚ್ ಡೆವಲಪ್ ಆಗುವಂಥ ದೃಷ್ಟಿಕೋನದಿಂದ ನಾವು ಯಾವುದೇ ವಿಷಯವನ್ನು ಅಭ್ಯಾಸ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗಲೂ ನಾವು ಬೆಳೆಯುತ್ತೇವೆ ಎನ್ನುವಂಥದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ಇದು ಸ್ಪಷ್ಟವಾದಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಪ್ರೂಫ್. ಸಚ್ ಎ ವೇ ವಿ ಶುಡ್ ಡೆವಲಪ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒಕೇಶನ್, ದಿಸ್ ವೇ ಆರ್ಗನೈಸಿಂಗ್ ದಿಸ್ ಈವೆಂಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಸಿಪೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಶೇರಿಂಗ್ ಅವರ್ ವ್ಯೂಸ್ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒಕೇಶನ್. ಇದೆಲ್ಲವನ್ನು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಗೌರವಾನ್ವಿತ ಕುಲಪತಿಗಳು. ಯಾವುದೇ ಸಮಯಾವಕಾಶ ಬಹಳ ಕಷ್ಟ ಆದರೂ ಹೊಂದಾಣಿಕೆ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಬೇಗನೆ ಬಂದು ನಮ್ಮೊಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಸೇರಿ ನಮ್ಮನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಹುರಿದುಂಬಿಸಿ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವನ್ನು ಚಂದಗಾಣಿಸಿಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಿಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರ ಪರವಾಗಿ, ವಿಶ್ವವಿದ್ಯಾನಿಲಯದ ಪರವಾಗಿ ಅವರಿಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಕೃತಜ್ಞತೆಗಳು, ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು ಸರ್. ನಾವು ಕೇಳಿಕೊಂಡ ಕೂಡಲೇ ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೂ ಹೇಳದೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಏನಾಗಬೇಕು, ನಮ್ಮ ಕಾಪರೇಷನ್ ಏನು ಬೇಕು ಹೇಳಿ, ನಮ್ಮನೆಂದೇ ಮಾಡುವ, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಕೇಳಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಿಸಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ರೈಟಿಂಗ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಯಾಲಿಟಿ ಎವ್ರಿಥಿಂಗ್, ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಯಾಲಿಟಿ ಓನ್ಲಿ, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಪರ್ಪಸ್, ವಿ ಡೂ ವಾಟ್ ಯು ವಾಂಟ್, ನೀಡ್ಫುಲ್ ಎವ್ರಿಥಿಂಗ್. ಒಂದೇ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳಿದಂತಹದ್ದು ಡೀನರಾದಂತಹ ನಮ್ಮ ಜೆರಾಲ್ಡ್ ಡಿಸೋಜ ಅವರು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಬೇಕಾದ ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥೆಯನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ನಮಗೆ ಏನೂ ಚಾಚು ತಪ್ಪದೆ ಹಿಂದಿನ ದಿನ ನೀವು ಎಷ್ಟೊತ್ತಿಗೆ ಬರ್ತೀರಿ, ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ, ಹೇಗೆ ಅನ್ನುವಂಥದ್ದನ್ನು ಫೋನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕೇಳಿ ಬೇಕಾದ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥೆ ಆಗುವಂತೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಸಹಕಾರವನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ವಿಭಾಗದಿಂದ. ಹಾಗೆ ಫಿಸಿಕಲ್ ಎಜುಕೇಷನ್ನ ಸ್ಟಾಫ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಸರ್, ತಮಗೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ತುಂಬ ಹೃದಯದ ಕೃತಜ್ಞತೆಗಳು. ಹಾಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದು ಭಾಗವಹಿಸಿದಂತಹ ಎಲ್ಲ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು ಅಥವಾ ಅಧ್ಯಾಪಕರು, ರಿಸರ್ಚ್, ಅದೇ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರೆಸ್ಸಿನವರು, ಮಾಧ್ಯಮದವರು ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಅನಂತಾನಂತ ಕೃತಜ್ಞತೆಗಳು. ಹಾಗೆ ಇದನ್ನು ಸಕ್ಸಸ್ ಮಾಡುವುದಕ್ಕೆ ವಿಭಾಗದ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಂದಿಯೂ ಕೂಡ ಸಹಕಾರವನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ತಾವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ನೋಡಿದ್ದೀರಿ. ನಾವು ಧನ್ಯವಾದ ಹೇಳಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಂಥದ್ದಾಗಿದೆ. ಆ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ತನ್ನ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೃತಜ್ಞತೆಯನ್ನು ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಸಮರ್ಪಿಸುತ್ತಾ ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಕ್ಕೆ ಸಹಕರಿಸಿದಂತಹ ಪ್ರತ್ಯಕ್ಷವಾದಂಥ ಪರೋಕ್ಷವಾದಂಥ ಹಾಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಹೊಸ ಕುರಲ್ನವರು ಯಾವಾಗ ಕೇಳಿದರೂ ಕೂಡ ಲೈವ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಅಥವಾ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಏನು ಬೇಕಿದ್ದರೂ ಮುಂಚಿನ ದಿನವೇ ಹಿಂದೆ ಬಂದು ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ತಯಾರಿಯನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವನ್ನು ಸಕ್ಸಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಜನರಿಗೆ ತಲುಪಿಸುವಲ್ಲಿಯೂ ಕೂಡ ಸಹಕರಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳನ್ನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಮತ್ತೊಮ್ಮೆ ಕೃತಜ್ಞತೆಯನ್ನು ಸಲ್ಲಿಸುತ್ತಾ ಕೃತಜ್ಞತಾ ಮಾತುಗಳನ್ನು ಮುಗಿಸ್ತೇನೆ. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.
Thank you, sir. After this function, refreshment will be served in 2 counters outside. A coffee table is also arranged for smooth experience. I request all of you kindly enjoy your refreshment. Trash bins are placed outside the place, the used cups and plates, in order to maintain the cleanliness of this environment. Now I request all of you to rise for the national anthem.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता, पंजाब सिंधु गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल वंगा, विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्छल जलधि तरंगा, तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मागे, गाहे तव जय गाता, जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता, जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे.
Thank you. I request one line to move from this main door and another line from the adjacent door so that you can reach the counters easily and without any kind of rush. So the first line can make from the side door.
ರೆಡಿ ಆಗಿ ಏನು ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಬೆವರಿ ಸಂಜೆ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕೀಗ. ನೀವು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಬಂದು ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡ ನಾನು.